There you go, talking head. So apparently it should be eye to eye and fucking level. They want you to be a brand. They want you to be a fucking business. Apparently, they want you to have a fucking production team behind your fucking sofa. Does it look like I've got one behind my sofa? This isn't a brand. This is a person. And this fucking professional that we're looking for, it's a fucking trap. You're not going to want to hear this, but it's a fucking mask that we put on because if we show who we really are, we won't be enough. We're told that if the lighting isn't perfect, if the audio isn't perfect, we're fucking failing. And who the fuck told us that? Algorithm Dave. The prick. Listen, Dave is a cold, calculated suit. He loves professional. He loves fucking predictable. That wasn't predictable. He wants to know all the videos are made in the same way, in the same fucking factory, with the same fucking template. And yes, the algorithm doesn't like swearing, but I will. Because guess what? It's my fucking channel. That hurt. Ow! Algorithm Dave wants to turn my fucking channel and me into a fucking spreadsheet. And I don't fit in a fucking box, and neither do you. But here's what Dave doesn't understand. You can't code a laugh. You can't script a connection. And you sure as fucking hell can't imitate the feeling someone gets when they watch someone being fucking real. You know what I mean? Why am I so goddamn itchy? AIDS. No, I'm joking. It's a joke. I'm going to leave it in. I have a really bad light. And we're told to put it 45 degrees. So it leaves contrast on your face. It's all like at 10 degrees. Because I have no more room. Because I have a desk in the way. I have shoes surrounding my feet. My bed is a mess. I have shit on my walls everywhere. I don't have enough hangers for all of my clothes, so they're thrown in there. It's messy. Every time you spend 3 hours obsessing over a fucking font or obsessing over the perfect lighting, Dave is winning. You're telling him that the rules matter instead of your voice. Which is absolutely beautiful, by the way. Not that I can hear it through the phone. I'm choosing mess. I'm choosing unprofessional. And I'm choosing... okay. And I'm choosing to do it the way I want to do it. Because, oh my god, newsflash, it's my fucking channel. And I'll say what I want, because apparently YouTube used to be for expressing yourself. And somewhere along the line, that got lost. And it turned into telling people what to fucking do, how to speak, what to wear. I'm wearing shorts with a t-shirt on. I look like a mess. So this is for the creators that are tired of performing. This is for all the creators that are tired of being told to be in a box. We're here to build a family. We're here not to follow the rules. We are a no niche family. Because we don't fucking need a niche. They told me to pick a niche. And I chose you. I'm fucking exhausted after that. That was a lot of fucking work. But hey, let's be fucking real for a second. Screw the algorithm. Screw the professional standards. Screw Algorithm Dave. Screw corporate. If that has any relevance to this video, I don't know, you decide. If being myself makes me unprofessional, then I'm the most fucking unprofessional person in the world. And do you know what? I'm proud of that. 'Cause it makes me me and makes me unique. And I want to see how messy and unique you can be. I'd rather be a real human being with a small audience than a hollow fucking shell with 1 million subscribers. Stop looking professional. Start looking human. The rebellion starts now.